When you book a projector, you will find in the bag some information describing best practice for setting up the projector. Please make sure you read this and make any adaptations that you need to set up the projector correctly. The Nec M403H is a brighter projector which has 4,000 lumens. There are a range of connections in the back that include 2 HDMI inputs, audio in, RCA phono connections, and even Ethernet and USB, as well as the VGA connections. So it's very versatile. Power on with the power switch here. And again, it takes a few minutes for the lamp to warm up. And we can see that as well as the illuminated display here, we have the zoom control here and the focus control here. Important buttons of note are the multi-controller for selecting the menu options, the source for selecting the input, and finally there's an exit button there for escaping the menu. You can also book out a remote with our NEC range of projectors, and this makes it simple to make your adjustments from a distance. So with the projector turned on, our zoom control and focus can be made at the front of the projector. The source button will bring up the various different input options, so you can select the input that you require. There is a complex menu which offers opportunity to affect the quality of the picture, contrast, brightness, sharpness, etc. Also, you can change the horizontal and vertical keystone. And scrolling through this very same menu, here you can change the orientation . And going back to the general menu, you can change the language. Please remember to return this back to English when you have finished. And finally, if you check the info tab, you can see the lamp life remaining and also the lamp hours used. Again, this is useful for if you are intending on exhibiting or installation for a period of time, and you can check there are enough lamp hours for your requirements. Last of all, to power off, press the power button. It will ask you if you're sure you want to turn off, and press the power button again and allow the lamp to cool down before packing away.